Blastweb, a market-leading underground initiation system that was designed to make blasting both easy and safe. The Blastweb system allows you to safely initiate any blast from surface. The Blastweb system provides constant communication between the detonators and the BCU via the terminator. The BCU communicates via the mine's existing network to the surface blast controller located at the control room. The surface blast controller provides a live update of the activities of the BCU underground. The ViewShot 3D software facilitates the planning, design, and simulation of the blast outcomes. Once the timing design is completed, the tagger is connected to the PC via Wi-Fi or USB. This allows the design to be transferred directly to the tagger, and the miner can proceed to tagging by using the tag by plan method. The face preparation commences with the marking and drilling of the blast holes. The electronic detonators are then primed and loaded into the blast holes for charging with explosives. The 4G detonators are now ready for tagging and full functional testing when connected to the tagger. There are 3 different modes of tagging. The basic tagging method is available to make the tagging simpler, where the delay is entered onto the tagger and is assigned directly to the detonator during tagging. The advanced method is suitable for multi-primed holes and can be configured to different types of hole labeling. The third method is the tag by plan method. The plan that was initially loaded onto the tagger via ViewShot 3D is verified and confirmed. The miner can now proceed with the plan tagging option, where both the location and the delays are written into the detonator. The new generation 4G detonator is a fully programmable electronic detonator that is suitably tailored to fit all types of blasting operations. This design has evolved from the remarkable safety principles of our 3G detonator. The terminator is purely a diagnostic tool with 2 status LEDs. The blue light indicates a communication link between the terminator and the detonators. The red light indicates connectivity between the BCU and the terminator. The blast control unit is designed for a fixed installation. It connects to the surface via the mine's existing network. The BCU is equipped with 6 channels, 200 dets per channel, a total of 1,200 dets per BCU. The system can accommodate 24 BCUs per surface blast controller, providing a maximum of 28,800 dets in total. In addition, the BCU contains relays that can control external devices such as ventilation, air and water via the surface blast controller. The Blastweb system is compatible with the mine's existing network communication backbones, which includes Wi-Fi, fiber optic or Ethernet, leaky feeder, as well as copper. The surface blast controller communicates to the BCUs underground and is able to safely initiate selected BCUs from the surface. The Blastweb system can be configured to the mine's requirements and can accommodate a maximum of 24 BCUs per surface blast controller. The system is linked together through the available communication infrastructure to form a network between the BCUs and the surface blast controller. The Blastweb system also provides real-time information and allows the management to view the status and activity on the Blastweb network. The final step underground is to activate the BCU for centralized blasting. The BCU is designed with 6 independent channels that automatically display the detonator count on their respective channels. Once all detonators are accounted for, the BCU is locked and the yellow smart key is inserted for centralized blasting. The yellow smart key does not contain the blast command and is used in a central blast configuration. The BCU enters into a grace period and awaits the blast commands from the surface blast controller for initiation. The blaster may also radio the control room on surface to ensure the BCU status is updated and reflects the correct amount of detonators on each channel. The BCU can now be locked and the blaster can proceed with mine clearance procedures. A portable BCU has the same functions and features as the fixed BCU. It is an option where working areas do not have access to a fixed BCU. The portable BCU can also be connected to the surface blast controller for centralized blasting or direct blasting with a red smart key. The red smart key contains the blast command and coded signal to initiate direct blasting. The red smart key will require a pin and the blaster to press fire at the BCU underground. The blast area must be cleared and all personnel must be accounted for. This is also verified on surface. The detonator count is verified on the BCUs underground, and the blaster checks that there are no error messages, then proceeds to blast. A unique feature of the BCU is that ventilation, water and air can all be controlled by the auxiliary relays on the BCU. The system is password protected and requires the correct blast authorization to proceed to program, arm and fire. The surface blast controller status is updated as blasted, and the detonator count on the channel is shown as 0. The surface blast controller also generates a blast report that includes the date, BCU ID, the number of dets connected, and the number of dets blasted. The DetNet Blastweb system provides the mining industry with a safe and reliable centralized blasting solution.